hear it run?
Yeah, sure, that'd be awesome.
I haven't started this. I got some diesel for it today. You're gonna have to give me a minute.
Sure.
Got the other 3.
It should stay there, eh? No guarantees it's gonna start.
This is cool.
This is all you need to make a first gen run, right here. See that little power wire?
Yep.
That's your fuel shut off. I forgot, look at the oil coming out of it. I took a plug out of the box out of a block the other day.
Jeez.
Yep, definitely an oil leak.
I stole the fuel, the pressure gauge out of it.
Attempt number 2 with the plug-in this time.
Clean burn.
Yeah.
There's no injectors in there yet. My big injectors are in there.